The continuation of the previous class. Now the third one is write the coefficient of x cube in each of the following. Now what is a coefficient? Coefficient is nothing but the multiple of the x cube. Where it is x cube, here it is x cube. It is a 1 x cube. X cube is nothing but it is a 1 into x cube. The coefficient of x cube is nothing but 1. The coefficient of x cube is equal to 1. Next, second one. What about here? Here it is x cube here. The coefficient of it is nothing but we can write it as 2 into 2 minus 1 into plus, we can write it as plus minus 1 into x cube plus x square. So what is the coefficient of x cube? The multiple of the x cube. The multiple of the x cube is nothing but minus 1. So therefore the coefficient of x cube is equal to minus 1. Similarly in this the coefficient of x cube is root 2. So the coefficient of x cube is equal to root 2. In this 2x cube plus 5, similarly same, the coefficient is 2. So the coefficient of x cube is equal to 2. In this x cube coefficient here it is pi by 2. So the coefficient of x cube is equal to pi by 2. So what about here, the sixth one, it is only 4. It is not contain the x cube terms. This can be written as 0 into x cube plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x plus 4. It is a none of x is there. X is not there, x square is not there, x cube is not there. We can write it as 0 into x cube plus 0 into x square plus 0 into x plus 4. What is the coefficient of x cube? It is nothing but 0. The coefficient of x cube is equal to 0. What about the in this seventh one, 2x square plus 5. This is also we can write it as 0 into x cube plus 2x square plus 5. Here also the coefficient of x cube is 0. So therefore the coefficient of x cube is equal to 0. The fourth problem, classify following as a linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So we already, it is a the polynomials are divided, types of the polynomial according to degree, that is linear, quadratic and cubic. If it is degree is 0, then 0 polynomial. Degree is 1, it is called linear polynomial. If it is degree 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. If it is degree 3, it is known as the cubic polynomial. So now we have to check that whether they are degree of the polynomial. If it is degree is 1, it is a linear, degree 2 quadratic, degree 3 cubic polynomial. First of all we have to find the degrees of the polynomial. Later we can name that polynomial. So here it is a first one, 5x square plus x minus 7. So what is the coefficient x square? The highest power is 2. So the highest power is 2. So it is the degree of 5x square plus x minus 7 is nothing but 2. It is a 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. So therefore given the polynomial is quadratic polynomial. Next, what is that? Here it is the highest power of the x is 3. So the degree of x minus x cube is 3. So it is cubic polynomial. If it is degree is 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. The third one is x square plus x plus 1. The highest power is 2. So the degree of x square plus x plus 4 is 2. It is quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial. Here the fourth one, it is a x minus 1. The highest power is 1, so degree of x minus 1 is 1. So it is linear polynomial. It is a linear polynomial. Here also, here it is 3p. 3p also, here it is a p power 1. It is a degree of 3 into p is nothing but 1. So it is also linear polynomial. So pi r square, the degree of pi r square is equal to 2. So it is, therefore it is quadratic polynomial. Right, fifth ఏంది? So the fifth one, write whether the following statements are true or false. So first of all, discuss about this one. We have to discuss about two things. The types of polynomial. We have the two types of the polynomials. The types of the polynomial according to the terms, and one more one is according to the degree. We will discuss about that one. So according to term, if it is one term, it is called monomial. Two terms, it is called binomial. Three terms, it is called trinomial. If it is more than three, it is called multinomial. So, and according to degree, if it is 0 degree, it is called zero polynomial. It is a degree 1, it is called linear polynomial. Degree 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. Degree 3, it is called cubic polynomial. We have like that. So here it is given the first one. What is that? Binomial has two terms. If it is a polynomial contain two terms, that is only we are calling as a binomial. So it is the first one is true. The second one, every polynomial is a binomial? No. Every polynomial, we have the types of the polynomials are monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial. So every polynomial we cannot say that it is a binomial. So it is false. What about the binomial may have degree 3? So binomial means it contains two terms. It contains two terms. Maybe it is a linear, maybe a quadratic, cubic. So it is a binomial may have the degree 3. A binomial may have the linear, maybe that means degree 1. By a binomial, maybe it is a quadratic, that means degree 2. A binomial may have the degree 3 also, that is cubic. So it is true. So third one, the degree of the zero polynomial is 0. It is correct. According to the types of the polynomial, degree of the zero polynomial, it is 0. So the fifth one, the degree of the x square plus 2xy plus y square is the highest power among them. The first term is x square, the degree is 2. The second term is 2xy. The powers, if you are add the powers, it is also 2. The third term is y square, that the power is 2. So three of them, the powers are 2. The degree of this polynomial is 2. It is also true. The next one, pi r square is a monomial. Yes, it is having the only one term, so it is a monomial. It is a true. Give one example each of the monomial and trinomial of degree 10. Degree 10 means the power of the variable should be 10. And what about the monomial? Monomial means it contains only one term. So one term, that power should be 10. So for example, this one, a monomial of degree 10, it is nothing but 5x to the power of 10. Or we can take that 10 into x to the power of 10. whatever it is, the constant into x to the power of 10, that is an example for the a monomial of degree 10. And what about the a trinomial of degree 10? So it is at a degree 10 means the power, highest power should be 10, and trinomial means it contains three terms. We have to take the three terms. The highest power should be 10. That is nothing but 4x to the power of 10 plus 7x to the power of 7 plus 8. So it contains three terms. So it is a trinomial, and the highest power is 10. So it is a degree 10. Which is a example for the a trinomial of degree 10.